What's the meaning of chromakey? Chromakey. Chromakey.
Chromakey. Chromakey. Chromakey refers to a technique used in film, video and photography production where a specific color, usually green or blue, is removed from a scene and replaced with another image or video. By filming a subject against a single color backdrop, green screen, the background can be easily removed and replaced with any other desired image or footage. The result is a seamless composite of different visual elements that appear to be part of the same scene. This technique is commonly used in films, television shows, and news broadcasts for creating special effects and virtual backgrounds.